Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in a daily newspaper on Monday February the 3rd on 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. A5 in this column, A5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for 5 should be here, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. I see here 5, so no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be here. Then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in this box. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. The only 2 places for 5 in this column should be here or there. But I see here already a 5, so no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be here. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. I see there 2, so no 2 in this box. 1 box remains for the 2, should be this one. Then a 3 in this column, a 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is, the missing numbers are 1, 8 and 9. 1, 8 and 9. I see here an 8 and a 1. So no 1 and 8 here. 1 digit left. That is the digit 9. So here we have a pair 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Then yes, in this big square, one of the missing number is a 4. You see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, here or there. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. So we have a 4 in this column. In the middle column we have a 4 over there. So in this column, the only 2 places for 4 should be here or there. But I see here already a 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. In this column, 2 missing numbers, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 8. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. But I see here already 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. And I cannot fill this yet, I need more information. Let's continue with the other digit. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So in the row below, the row in between, The only place for the 7 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this column. The numbers are 3, 4, and 9. 3, 4, and 9. I see here 3, so no 3 there. I see there 3, so no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. 3, 4, and 9. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and 9. 4 and 9. Need more information to continue. But I see here in this row, 1 box is left for the number 6. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. Only place for the 7 should be here. 6, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 3 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 3 and 5. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 2, 6, and 9. I see here 2, so no 2 there. I see there 2, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. The 2 in the third column, the 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for a 2 is here, here, or there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there. I see here 2, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. Then 6 and 9 and the 8. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 9 and 6, 9 and 6. Why can I not continue? That's the question. Nine and 4, 9 and 4. Yes. No. 4, 4, 4, 4. Two. 1, 1, 1. Well. 5 goes to 5. I'm stuck. I see I have troubles. 4, 4, okay. 2, 2, 2. 6, 1, 9, and 2, 4, 9, 6. 6, 6. And 6, 9, 7, 1. These two are 9s. These two are 4s. The 2 should be here. 3, 2, 4, 9, and the 6 should be here. 6, right. 9, 4. Yes, I see it now. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. Yes, I have completed with the 3. Now 5, 1, 2, 3. These 3 numbers. 4, 4. The 9 is missing in this column, and also the 6 is missing. 6, 9, 6, 9. I cannot continue. The 4 I have in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then in this column, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. I cannot continue. Need more information. The 4, we have now a 4 here, because here these 2 numbers in this column are the numbers 4 and 9. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 9 goes here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be here. 1, 2, and 6. 1, 2, and 6. These 2 numbers are 2 and 6. 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. These 2 numbers are 2 and 8. Because we have a 2 here, it cannot be a 2 there. So the 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. So that means these 2 are the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. The last row, 2 and 6, 2 and 6, I see here at 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 2. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 9. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in this middle column for the number 8. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 7 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers 5 and 7, 5 and 7. I see here 7, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have 6 here, so no 6 here, 6 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here, 5 should be there, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 8 there, so no 8 here, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we finish this in 17 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like, or if you want, download the PDF file if you want to make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.